Okay, so good morning, everyone. So I will be discussing to you your semifinals as well as your semifinals project for contemporary world. So ano bang gagawin ninyo for your semifinals? So remember, this is your exam as well as your project. So kindly do well in this output. So what will be your expected output for this exam and project? So you will be making a commercial spoof. Uh, so yeah, you are going to produce a commercial spoof that parodies any commercial aired in the Philippines. So your spoof should demonstrate an understanding of the original's commercial's message, target audience, and advertising strategies, while also incorporating elements of humor, satire, or irony. So here are the guidelines for making the commercial spoof. So each group will choose any commercial that has been aired in the Philippines. So you may choose a recent commercial, yung commercial ng let's say RC, you can copy that, or any commercial can be recent or a classic commercial. So ensure that the commercial you selected is appropriate for parody and aligns with the theme of global media culture. So understanding the original commercial. Analyze the chosen commercial thoroughly. So identify its key elements such as the product or service being advertised, the target audience, the tone, the use of language, visuals, and any cultural references embedded within it. So, next, conceptualization. So, you need to brainstorm some ideas for your commercial spoof. So, consider how you can playfully subvert the original commercial's message while still conveying a coherent narrative. So, think about how you can incorporate elements of global media culture into your spoof to add depth and relevance. Script writing, kayo na bahala kung gagawa ka kayo ng sarili nyong script or kakopyahin ninyo yung commercial in toto. So, yan. Pay attention to the dialogue, timing, and pacing. Production, of course, you need to edit and uh, create a good spoof commercial. So, in editing, you may involve filming live action scenes. Kung marunong kayong maglagay ng mga animation sa video, you may do so. So, kayo bahala kung paano ninyo mapaganda yung pag-edit ng commercial spoof ninyo. Presentation, we will delegate one day for the presentation of your commercial. So, how should you submit this commercial? So, para malawak yung target audience natin, you will be needing to post your spoof commercial on Facebook. So, pag pinost ninyo, ito yung mga dapat na nasa caption ninyo. So, caption, ito yung mga nilalaman ng caption, the title of your commercial, your group number and your section, as well as yung group members. So, para makita ko yung mga output ninyo, do not forget to tag me on Facebook. So, here's my Facebook, Janica A. Estefani. So, again, tag me on your video. So, when will be the deadline for this project and exam? The deadline will be on April 22, 11:59 p.m. So, you have exactly April 12 days. More or less 12 days to submit I know it's 14 days. You have 14 days to, or 2 weeks to prepare for um, this project slash exam. So here is the grading system. No need to explain this. Just read this grading system. And here are the groupings for your project. So if you have questions or clarifications with regard to your project, do not hesitate to send me a message sa group chat natin or sa messenger ko. Okay, again, the deadline for the video the video commercial spoof, which should be uploaded on Facebook, will be on April 22, 2024, 11:59 p.m. Thank you.